So what we've got is a no start. Customer was cutting grass. They thought they ran out of gas. Went and put more gas in it. It wouldn't start. I don't think they ran out of gas though. Stick around. So like I've talked about many times in the past, you need 3 things for an engine to run: fire, fuel, and compression. We're fixing to eliminate 2 of them right fast. So the first thing I'm gonna do, your air cleaner might be different. This is a Donaldson style air filter. First thing I'm gonna do, let's get the safety filter out. We're gonna give her a little shot of brake cleaner. It has to be flammable brake cleaner, or you can use carb cleaner. Let's try to start. You hear that? Let's try it again. Ready? Runs and dies. So what we just did, now we know we got fire, we got compression. It will run. So it is a fuel issue somewhere. Let's diagnose that. Folks, if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you get notifications. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna see if we're getting fuel to the carburetor. You can take your fuel line off at the carburetor. The easy spot to get to is right here at the fuel pump. So let's see if I can get this hose off of here. All right, she's pumping gas, look at that. Let me get you in a little closer. All right, I'm gonna move this hose out of your way. Watch right there. Let's see, is it pumping fuel? Oh yeah. So my next step, I'm gonna turn the key on while holding my hand right under here. Your carburetor may have a solenoid go straight up and down. I wanna feel, if I can feel, you can generally feel or hear, or both, the solenoid will go a click. So let me cut this key on, hold on. All right, so I'm gonna reach my hand right under here and I'm gonna reach over here, cut the key on. I don't feel nothing. Those Dixie Choppers has got a beeper on them. Again, this does not matter what engine you have. They all work the same. So now what I want to do, unplug this. We're going to hook our voltmeter up to this terminal and see if we're getting 12 volts with the key on. All right, I got my test light in here and let's see if you can see this screen. Hard to do with the reflections out here, folks. I'm gonna cut the key on. Where is the, there, you can see it a little better there. I'll put my hand back over. I'm gonna cut the key on with the other hand. 12.17, so we're getting power to the solenoid. So this particular one takes a 19 millimeter. We're gonna get under here and pop this loose. Now you're gonna probably see gas come running out, but don't worry about that. Let's unscrew this bad boy. Yep, there goes the gas. Now I'm gonna show you what to check next. Now, if I would have pulled this solenoid out, saw a bunch of corrosion on there, you're gonna be wanting to look inside your carburetor. I'm gonna take this this electrical wire. We're gonna plug it back in and I'm gonna cut the key on. We're gonna watch for it to suck in. I'm gonna keep my finger on here because this will come apart on this model. Excuse me, here we go. Nothing, not hitting on anything. Bad solenoid. So guess what I have? A brand new solenoid. Oops, see, I'm about to drop it now. Taking this one apart. Boing, 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 boing. All right, let's see. Let's plug this new one up. See what we got. I'm gonna hold my finger so I don't lose it. Can y'all see? I hope you can see. See it suck it right in there? Now watch it when it comes out. See my fingers away from it? I hope y'all can see. See it come out, back in. Look at there. Just too easy. Be sure your little crush washer is on there so we're not leaking. All we got to do, well, I can't even see, trying not to get in y'all's way. Did it go in there, y'all? I think I got it, because I'm not looking. There we go. Hey, if y'all hadn't checked out our other channel, it's called T-Bone After Hours. I'll put a link right down there in the description, And y'all go over and check out our other channel. It's got everything but small engines. All kind of stuff's going to be going on there. There's only a few videos so far, but we're going to be constantly adding to that. So, new solenoid, engage. All right, I'm going to go right ahead. I'm not going to stop the camera. Let's see what's going to happen. See if I can hopefully not catch the darn thing on fire with all that gas. It's going to have to pump a little bit to get it up in the bowl. And I may have to go over here and choke it. Darn, that battery is weak. Let's give her a little help. It's got one of them never start lawnmower batteries in it. One of them Wally World batteries. Yeah. Here we go. Let's see what's going to happen now. I got a green light? Yeah, I got a green light. All right. And this one right here, you got to have this button pushed in order for it to fire. All right. Let's see what's going to happen, folks. Would you looky there? Well, I tell you what I'm going to do is go ahead and just put this battery on charge. We know she's fixed and ready to go. Charge this bad boy up with the old Nokia. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We're going to charge this battery, but I'm going to call the customer. These terminals are really corroded. We're going to see if we can clean them up and see if they want us to go and do a new battery. Them old never start batteries, they don't last. We'll put them a good interstate in there, clean these terminals up or replace them. But hopefully this diagnosis helps you out. Please click that subscribe button. Give us one of those thumbs up. Share these videos with your friends. Remember, go over and check out T-Bone After Hours. Subscribe to our other channel. See you soon, folks. Thanks.